Alright, so first of all, let's take a quick look at our basic ingredients. Extra virgin olive oil, of course, is the main component. Now, the rule sounds very simple. The better oil you take, the better soap you get. Use the oil that you eat every day, that you put in your salad with pleasure. Me personally, I prefer Greek olive oils. I usually use Kalamata extra virgin olive oil because I love how it tastes, smells and looks. And every time I use it in my soap making, I get beautifully green, very solid soap bars with a rich foam and a pleasant natural smell. Of course, when I just started making soap, I was experimenting with different quality oils. But when I first made my soap from a high-quality olive oil, I really saw the difference. The soap was solid right after drying and much gentler to my skin in everyday use. So I definitely can recommend Kalamata extra virgin olive oil for soap making. And in this recipe I'll be using exactly this sort of oil. Next ingredient is water, pure filtered water. Sodium hydroxide lye, which you can buy at your local chemical supply or in any soap-making online store. Citric acid, which is also available at any chemical supplier, online soap-making store or even at your local supermarket. Raw unrefined shea butter. We will add it in the end of our soap-making process as a superfat. Shea butter will enrich our soap, making it even gentler to the skin and more pleasant in everyday using.